Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode, so I'll be addressing everything you need to know about the recent developments concerning Dubai visa. So now, for some time now, there's been this back and forth on Dubai, but thankfully, most of the restriction has been lifted. But however, there are still one or two little things you need to know before you travel to Dubai. Now, before I proceed, please kindly smash the like button, kindly click on the subscription button, and don't forget to click on the notifications icon. That's the bell icon, so that whenever I make a new post, it just sends you a pop-up, like a notification telling you I've made a post. That way, you don't get to miss all this exciting news. Now, let's get into it. Now, guys, like I said, Dubai visa, whether for under 35, above 35, you can now book Dubai. But however, the restriction is still there. Some people are still being rejected every day, so you can't just walk up to any agent to do Dubai visas for you, because some agents are currently restricted from actually handling the under 35, but they won't tell you. At the end of the day, you get rejected. So ensure that this agent can actually handle the under 35 visa before you waste your money. So now that's it about under 35 visa. Now all flight now goes to Dubai successfully, every kind of flight. However, if you are planning to relocate to Dubai, now this is for you too. If you are like a freelancer, you have a work from home kind of stuff, you can actually relocate to Dubai, because right now the work permit is still not being granted for Nigerians. So if you are going to Dubai to look for jobs, I would advise you this might not be the best time, because work permit is not fully activated. But if you have the money, you can actually do what is called the residence visa. It's a 3 years visa. However, it is cost, but with that, you can actually look for jobs in Dubai. But if you don't have that, if you just want to get the regular visa to go and look for jobs in Dubai, it might be a little bit difficult, because you won't be able to get like a full-time job. What you might get will be all these part-time jobs, which might not be sustainable in the long run. There are different categories of rooms. So you can do the shortlet, you can do bed spaces, you can do studio apartment, or a bedroom or 2 bedrooms. But these are Dubai is a very expensive city, obviously. So if you're getting started, you can start with maybe if you're like still like a hustler, you can start with like the bed space. Now with the bed space, it's roughly about 70 to 80,000 naira per month, depending on the size and the structure. So what that means is this: for bed spaces, you're only buying a place where you can just sleep. It's just a bed. It is like a shared accommodation with maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on the settings. So there are some that it's like 5 people in a room, some are 6, some are 8, and you have your own wardrobe where you can keep your stuff, lock it up and stuff like that. But you have a bed space. Now there is a lower bed space, which is usually very cheap, compared to the upper bed space, which is usually much more expensive. And there are some that, depending on the number of people in the room, there are some that maybe like 2 people in the room, it's a little bit expensive, while there are some that are like 6, 8 people in the room. Those are usually pretty, much more cheaper compared to the other ones. So now these are the best spaces. Now there are shortlets. Shortlets are like 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms that you can just rent for a specific period. And shortlet starts from like as low as $20, $40 per day. So you can now calculate the number of time this will cost you. Now there are also studio apartments. Studio apartments, those start from as high as 400 to 600,000 per month. So if you calculate your bills and you feel okay, you can afford that, you can go for that. So now these are the different options for accommodation in Dubai. Now all flight now goes to Dubai successfully, every kind of flight. However, if you are planning to relocate to Dubai, now this is for you too. If you are like a freelancer, you have a work from home kind of stuff, you can actually relocate to Dubai. If you are planning to relocate, you can relocate with your family with the Dubai residence visa. So basically that's everything I want to share right now. So if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly smash the subscribe button, click on the notifications icon. I'll be sharing more information like this. See you next time. Bye.